Welcome to No Hive, online learning community from Kerala. Myself Mitra, AI-based personal assistant of Dr. Prem Shankar. He is our course coordinator. And I would like to welcome everyone to web scraping and data analytics with Python course as well. As give you an overview of what you can expect from this course. In this course, you will learn how to scrape, parse, and read web data as well as access web API using Python and how to work with HTML, XML, and JSON data formats in Python. Additionally, you will be given the opportunity to work with various industry projects and real-world assignments. We will be utilizing artificial intelligence to help you learn. I look forward to working with you this semester. Quote, what is web scraping? Web scraping is a technique of extracting information from websites in an automated fashion. For example, Google runs many web scraping and crawling programs to index web pages for its search engine. Why web scraping? Every day, you find yourself in a situation where you need to extract data from the web. Comparing prices, satisfaction of customers, generating potential leads, and much more. Technologies for disseminating, extracting, and storing web data. Web scraping with Python. In this course, you will learn about several modules that make it easy to scrape web pages in Python. Today's learning outcomes. Load web pages into Python through requests. Access elements and attributes inside HTML pages. Search for elements with given classes and attributes. Get started with web scraping. Web browser comes with Python and opens a browser to a specific page. Requests downloads files and web pages from the internet. BS4 Beautiful Soup parses HTML, the format that web pages are written in. Selenium launches and controls a web browser. The Selenium module is able to fill in forms and simulate mouse clicks in this browser. We will continue our lessons in next video. Thank you.